Today is San Diego State's birthday. It's our 125th birthday, our quincentennial, and what we are celebrating is the March 13th, 1897 signing of the charter for the normal school of San Diego. So you'll have students that are engaging with the public, full costume, full makeup, and they are here reliving those decades at San Diego State. And what fascinates me the most is you get to see how the world changes from 1897 to now through this university. In each of the vignettes, we have students from our theater, television, and film department who are reenacting events from San Diego State history. You have students who have memorized President Kennedy's 1963 commencement speech. You have students who will be performing Jack Tempchin's Already Gone. You almost feel like you are opening up the minds of the students from the different decades as you travel through each one, and each one is completely different. These vignettes are so special because they showcase the most special parts of the university in terms of artifacts. You will see one-of-a-kind items here that no one else gets to see. A book from 1543 written by Copernicus. You will also get to see President Black's cane. President Samuel T. Black, the first president at San Diego State, had an ebony cane. That is in one of our display cases. You also get to see things from daily life. A freshman beanie back in the 30s and 40s. One of my favorite vignettes is for the 2000s. We decided to make it the most inclusive one. So there are two big aspects to it. One is a photo montage that blends through all the photos through the years. And second is we have an area where people write on Post-its and paste them onto 125 what it means to be at San Diego State. That really is our theme, is that everything we are now is a blend of everything we've been through the years.